Do you know that you can scan documents on iPhone automatically? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. In order for this to work out, go ahead and use your notes. Click the pencil icon at the bottom right, and then click the clip icon at the bottom, middle, close to the middle, and then go ahead and you're gonna be able to see a pop-up window, multiple options. Go ahead and click scan documents, and then just point out to your document. And as you can see, they took the picture automatically. You could go ahead and click the picture at the bottom left right here, and you're gonna be able to add filters if you want to. You can make it gray or black and white or just normal photo, and you can rotate it if you want to rotate it if you took it in a funny angle, right? And you can clip or crop at the bottom left, and you can crop that document to make it more clear, right? And if you want to retake it, just go ahead and hit retake at the top, and then hit done at the top left to save the document, and hit save at the bottom right. Basically, that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.